Welcome to the mystical Mekong Delta, where the slow flow of the river has shaped a land of enchanting beauty and rich cultural heritage. Delve deeper into the delta and explore its hidden gems with this captivating tour in Kai Ber, Sa Dek, and Cho Dak. On the first day, we'll pick you up from your hotel and take you to Kai Ber, where your journey begins. You'll start with a leisurely bicycle ride through the remote countryside, taking in the sights and sounds of traditional cottage industries. At Le Londonier restaurant, you'll enjoy a delicious lunch before embarking on a tranquil cruise along the Delta's beautiful waterways. You'll visit a traditional brick factory and explore the Tan Phong Islet by local rowboat. In Sa Dek, you'll stroll through the vibrant outdoor market and visit the historic Keen and Kung. Finally, you'll settle into your luxurious accommodation aboard the sampan for a peaceful night on the Mekong River. The second day of your adventure begins with a scenic cruise towards Long Xuan, passing over picturesque monkey bridges. You'll visit Tiger Island, the birthplace of Vietnam's second president, and marvel at the natural beauty of this unspoiled region. Enjoy a sumptuous lunch on board the sampan as you continue your cruise towards Cho Dak. After dinner, you'll anchor for the night, soaking up the tranquil atmosphere of the river. On the final day, you'll wake up to a delicious breakfast on board as your sampan cruises towards Cho Dak, a city famous for its pagodas and temples. There, you'll visit the stunning Tra Su Bird Sanctuary, a pristine eucalyptus mangrove that is home to a variety of exotic birds. Disembark at Victoria Chow Dock Private Pier at around 10 a.m., bidding farewell to this unforgettable journey. This itinerary is crafted to offer you an immersive experience in the Mekong Delta, with opportunities to explore local culture and history while relaxing aboard a luxurious sampan. With its enchanting scenery, cultural highlights, and mouth-watering cuisine, this tour promises an unforgettable adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity to delve deeper into the heart of Vietnam's soulful delta. Book your spot now. Included in this tour are hotel transfers, a bicycle ride through the charming countryside, a leisurely cruise along the Delta's enchanting waterways, visits to local cottage industries and a traditional brick factory, as well as exploration of the Tan Phong Islet and the Keen and Kung, an ancient Chinese architectural wonder. You'll also have the opportunity to visit Tiger Island, birthplace of Vietnam's second president, and marvel at the natural beauty of the Tra Su Bird Sanctuary. And of course, no tour would be complete without comfortable accommodation aboard the Mekong River. But it's important to note that there are a few exclusions as well. Meals and drinks beyond those specified in the itinerary are not included, nor are any personal expenses such as laundry or phone calls. However, I can promise you that the memories and experiences you'll gain from this tour will far outweigh any additional expenses. So, why not take the leap and delve deeper into the heart of the Delta? Book your spot now and embark on a journey of a lifetime.